Have you ever eaten ice cream and wondered, how does milk turn into this cold, creamy, delicious treat? Well, I'm Smartie the Alpaca and we will find out together. Ice cream usually starts with a few simple ingredients: milk, cream, sugar, and a flavor like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or mint. Milk and cream are what make ice cream smooth and creamy. Sugar makes it sweet, and the flavor gives it that yummy taste. But we cannot just pour milk into a freezer and get ice cream. If we did that, it would become hard like an ice cube. So, how does it become soft and creamy? First, the ingredients are mixed together. In many ice cream factories, the mixture is gently heated to make it safe to eat. Then it is cooled down. Now comes the magic part. The cold mixture goes into a special machine. This machine freezes it while it keeps mixing and turning. This is called churning. Churning is very important because it adds tiny bubbles of air into the ice cream. That air makes the ice cream light, soft, and scoopable. Without air, ice cream would be too hard and heavy. As the mixture gets colder and colder, tiny ice crystals start to form. But because the machine keeps mixing, the ice crystals stay very small. And that is why good ice cream feels smooth, not crunchy like snow. Then comes the fun part. Extra flavors and toppings can be added. Chocolate chips, cookie pieces, fruit, caramel, sprinkles, or even marshmallows. After that, the ice cream is packed into tubs, cones, or bars. Then it goes into a very cold freezer so it can become firm. And finally, it is ready to eat. Pretty cool, right? See you next time with Smartie the Alpaca.